Hi everyone, I'm your host, Cheetah the Speed Reader. All right, I'm excited. Okay, now this message right here is to inform you guys that we are now doing short form content. Yay! So now you can look for us and our short form content on YouTube and TikTok and any other platforms. All right.
小猫cat
Cat. Cat. Yeah.
小狗
Yeah.
dog
Dog.
小兔 rabbit
Rabbit.
老虎 tiger
Yeah. Cheetah the Speed Reader. Yeah. Learning animals. Yes.